So today we received the big box. So let's see what it is. Oh, okay, a big box for a little part. Let's do pause the part in the machine. Hello, it's Sonia. Today we're gonna change the lid switch. Let's go. So first of all, put the power off. Second of all, cut the water. You can see shut. It's shut. It's shut. We're gonna need to unscrew the two screws on the back of the cabinet. This one and the other one. Now we can take the cabinet off like that. Now we have to take this piece off to be able to take the cabinet off. Now we have to disconnect the lid switch. Now we have to separate the two parts of the washing machine. Now we can have access to the lid switch. We're gonna have to take this off to unscrew there and there. We have changed the part, so now we have to throw it on the machine. We're gonna put it there with the two screws. The part is now in place, so we're gonna be able to make some cleaning because it's a lot of rust, because it's an old machine. And after, we're gonna put this piece back at its place and try. So the big part of the washing machine is back. Now we just have to click that. The lid screw, it's connected. We have to put back those pieces there, over there. We're gonna have to click the part. Voila. We're gonna put the head back. Those parts are supposed to go in those holes on the two sides. The head of the cabinet is in place, so now we just have to put back the two screws over there. Don't forget to plug back and to open the water like that. And voila.